I'm going to go through some of these sounds that we have in here and how this is all built up. We started with the piano. Then we added some strings. Another piano layer on top of this. We have a vocal pad here, which is actually a synth that we created using Joanna's voice as an oscillator, just singing a middle C. A synth choir patch. Kind of a pad. So together those are making this. And then we have Joanna's vocals, and I'll just go ahead and also include these little transition effects here.
But I can't hear it now. Just tell me how to keep breathing while pretending I'm not drowning. I don't know if I could. I'll watch the door close for good.
This is the vocoder I was talking about.
There is an ocean so dark down below the waves, where you watch while these dreams gently float away. And there is a silence so soft, it's only memory.
There's a little sound in here, which is like a little synthesizer doing a little plucky arpeggiator like this. And with the pianos and strings.